In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can change your wallpaper on iPhone. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video.
So first go to the settings app on your iPhone and scroll down. And here you have to choose this wallpaper option. If you don't find it, just use the search bar and search for it and click it. And now it's going to bring you to this page, and here you have this option that says add new wallpaper. Simply click this option. And now it's going to bring you to this page, and here you have these options that you can choose from. You can go to your photos gallery, or you can use shuffle, emoji, color, or astronomy. Or you have this other option that says weather. Just choose from the list and you can just choose the new wallpaper for your phone. Or you can just go to the gallery and select one. For example, if you go with this emoji section, click it, and it's going to open up this page for you. And here you can just choose whichever emoji you like. Just click get. Once you click get, it's going to download this emoji graphic background that highlights your favorite emoji. And now you can choose from the list over here that goes on. Just click get on whichever option that you like, and then you can just choose that wallpaper for your phone. And if you scroll down, you have these options as well over here. Here you get multiple shades and materials to play with light. This wallpaper can change over the course of the day, or you can choose a favorite one. You can slide through and select the one you like, or you can see these over here. These wallpapers are designed specially for iPhone 17 Pro Max that you can use from. And the second method is you go to your home screen over here and then just long press on your screen anywhere and click edit on the top left corner and click edit wallpaper over here. It's going to pop up with this option over here, and here you can choose a photo by clicking this plus sign and going to your gallery, or you can choose to turn on the blur over here, or you can turn it off by clicking over here, and then you can choose gradient, color, and you can also choose pair, and then click done on the top right corner once you're good to go. And that's how you change your wallpaper on iPhone.